Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So those who don't know me, hi, I'm Anushka, a final year medical student at GMC Miraj. So आप सभी को पता है कि नीट का रिजल्ट लग चुका है एंड राउंड्स भी चालू होने वाले हैं एंड दोज हु आर एक्सपेक्टेड टू बी इन माय कॉलेज और एनी अदर गवर्नमेंट मेडिकल कॉलेज और प्राइवेट मेडिकल कॉलेज कॉन्ग्रेचुलेशंस बिकॉज नीट एग्जाम बहुत ज़्यादा टफ थी एंड यू हैव मेड इट दिस फार सो यू शुड बी प्राउड ऑफ योर सेल्फ. So let me tell you about myself first. So I cracked NEET in 2021 with 590 marks and I got into GMC Miraj. But at that time, there were not much information about my college, like how my college life is gonna be, how are the professors here, what are the subjects, what things to carry, how are the fest and other curriculums here and that stuff. So I thought that people are going to join in and I should share my experience with you guys. So without any further delay, let's get started. So in this video, I am going to cover the points such as your college life and environment, your college schedule and professors, your subjects and exam schedule, extracurricular activities and others fest, and seniors and agriculture and some bonus tips. So yeah, let's get started. So let's talk about hostel life and college environment first. So they say that these 5.5 years are going to be the best years of your life. And I believe that it's true because the bonds you make, the friendship you share are going to last forever. So let's talk about college environment first. So it's a pretty big campus and it has a pretty chill vibe. There is no constant traffic, but yeah, you get frustrated sometimes because of lack of facilities here. But everybody has different opinions and I have personally grown to love this place. So let's talk about hostel life. So for the girls, you have to share one room between three girls and it's a pretty decent place and you get personally different building for the first year. So ragging is not even a thing here. Seniors are not even allowed to enter your building, and for the first year you have to compulsory eat in the hostel mess itself. From the second year you can change your mess, and I personally believe that you should stay in the hostel for the first year because you prep for your exam, you practice dance, you prep for your fest, and you study for the exam. It's a pretty fun experience. But let me tell you, it's not safe to roam around in the night. That's why we have in time for 10 p.m. for both girls and boys. So now let's talk about college professors and your college schedule. So first year is really intense because your days are filled with lectures, practicals and dissection halls, and the syllabus is so huge and you live far from home, so it gets pretty intense and pretty overwhelming sometimes. So let me give you a quick rough idea about your college schedule. So 9 to 10 a.m. you have one lecture, another lecture from 10 to 11, and now you have practical from 11 to 1, and then 1 to 2 p.m. break, 2 to 3 p.m. another lecture, and 3 to 5 p.m. dissection. So now let's talk about subjects in the first year. So you will be studying anatomy, physiology and biochemistry. In anatomy, there are further subdivisions like upper limb and lower limb, head, neck and thorax, abdomen and pelvis, embryology and histology. And for the practicals, you will be having soft part, hard part, embryology, histology. And for the physiology, you will have to perform clinical examination and HEMAT. And for biochemistry, you will have to perform biochemical test. So now let's talk about your exam schedule. As you are the August batch, you will be having your university exam in the next August. In between, you will be having your first internal, second internals, preliminary examination, and after that, you will be having 1 month of preparatory leave, and after that, you will be having your university exams. And the exams consist of 100 marks each, like theory 100 marks and practical 100 marks. Now let's talk about senior and ragging culture. Let's talk about seniors first. So in our college, seniors are very helpful. I'm not even kidding. And for your batch, I guess we will be the topmost batch here, and ragging is not even a thing here. What happens usually is just a formal introduction and icebreaker and personality development. लेकिन तुमको ऐसा लगता होगा कि ये लोग हमको क्यों फॉर्मल्स पहनने बोलते हैं, क्यों कुर्ती वगैरह पहनने बोलते हैं. But once you will become a senior, you will get it. These are just basic respect you have to give to your seniors, and these are basic etiquette you have to follow in the first year. And the most fun part is that जो senior तुमको first year में सबसे ज़्यादा strict लगते हैं ना, उनसे सबसे अच्छी दोस्ती बन जाती है final year तक. And seniors help you overall in the fest, in studies, they cheer you up, they also help you to organize the fest or other cultural fest वगैरह. So they are the basically lifeline of your MBBS. So let's talk about fest and college event at GMC Mirror. So GMC Miraj is one of the oldest and prestigious college in Maharashtra, and it is not known only for its academics, but it is also known for its fest. So we celebrate two major cultural and academic fest called as Vismay, which is our cultural fest, and Medicincia is our academic fest. And apart from that, we also celebrate Shiv Jayanti, Ganpati, Navratri, Dahi Handi, Freshers. And Ganpati के टाइम पे you have cultural night, you have साड़ी डे, you have treasure hunt. कल्चरल नाइट के टाइम पे सब जूनियर्स परफॉर्म करते हैं एंड नवरात्रि के टाइम पे यू हैव अ स्पोर्ट्स वीक एंड दीज आर द बेस्ट डेज ऑफ द एमबीबीएस एंड देन you will realize that MBBS is just beyond books. So yeah, that's it for today. But let me give you some advice before joining the MBBS. Enjoy your vacations like never before. क्योंकि इतना गिल्ट फ्री वेकेशन कभी भी मिलने नहीं वाला है तुमको. So chill करो, binge watch करो, read करो, sleep like a panda and prepare for the storm. So yeah, that's it for today. If you have any doubts, comment down below. I will surely answer your doubt. Thanks for watching till the end. Enjoy your vacations and welcome to MBBS. Bye bye.